Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Weebly. This is a really useful feature when you want to create a more structured, professional-looking layout for your website by placing multiple elements side by side. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Now look over to the left side menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it and you'll notice a few more options appear beneath it. From there, click on Edit Site. This will bring up a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the specific website you want to work on and edit. Once you've selected it, look toward the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Go ahead and click that to open up your site editor. When the editor loads, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top of the screen. This is the main workspace where you can add and arrange all your content, whether it's text, images, titles, or other elements. The Build section is essentially your design toolkit. Now here's where it gets simple. Creating columns in Weebly doesn't require any special menu or complicated settings. All you need to do is drag an element from the left panel, pick any element you want to add, like a text box, image, or title. Instead of placing it directly below an existing element, drag it to the left side or the right side of another element that's already on your page. As you drag it close to the edge, you'll notice Weebly automatically creates space for a column layout. Drop the element there, and just like that, you've created a column. You can repeat this process to add more columns or rearrange your layout as needed. It's a drag and drop system that makes organizing your content incredibly intuitive and flexible. And there you have it. You've successfully added columns to your Weebly website, giving your pages a cleaner, more organized look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.